morning. It's Thursday, October 8th, and I just want to go over my trades for today. So I was looking at the TrueTrader scanner and also my custom alerts for TradingView. Now, if you're not a member of TrueTrader and you're looking for a review video, I'll have that at the end of this video. But I just want to go over my trades here that I use with the TrueTrader system. So this morning on my scanner, run came up at just about 55 seconds after the open, which was this candle right here at 6:31 almost. And so I got in here at 6:31 and 31 seconds at 75.57. And then my first target was really VWAP, maybe 75 cents or $1, but it quickly shot up. So I got out, just hotkeyed out at 77.07. So that was a really good trade. Exactly $1.50 there. And then the next trade was nano-x and nano-x. It came in later in the day. It was about 21 minutes after the open. So right about here, I was looking for it to come into this level, but I got in a little early. Let's see, what did I get in at? 14. So just about exactly at the bottom. I saw some resistance. This is the 100 SMA on the 1 minute chart. And my target was initially going to be VWAP, or this is the 20 SMA on the 1 minute chart. But there was some hesitation here just below 41. So I was thinking either it's going to turn around at 41 or it's going to break through really quick. So I just was looking for other opportunities, and I decided, well, I got in at a really good price. So I took it off for somewhere around there. I hotkeyed out. As soon as I saw it dropping, I was worried it would continue back down. But hindsight, it burst through the 41 level and did eventually meet it to my exact target. So hindsight, yes, I could have made another, let's say I could have made another, 80 or $100 on that one. But overall, it was a good day. It was a green day, 265. I'll take it. All right, thanks for watching. And again, if you want to watch the review video of TrueTrader, it's at the end of this video. There'll be a link or a link in description where you can learn exactly how to trade like this quickly in the morning. And also, if you sign up with TrueTrader through my link, I give you the code, it's a one-click install to get these alerts. So for today's trades, both of these trades came from my alert system. So you can see here, 650 was around the time that I got alerted for this one. And the alert had me come out here, but because of the TrueTrader system, I knew to get around in this area. So combining the two, I've had a very successful run at trading since about April when I started. And yeah, so go ahead and check out the review video if you're on the fence to get on to TrueTrader. Thanks.